Hello everybody, thank you so much for pressing play on my video today. My name is Sharleen from stampwithshar.com and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in the US. My paper pumpkin came in the mail, you guys. Couple of things. It now is shrink wrapped, so it's got like a protective plastic on it, which is kind of cool. I did use a little thing here to go over my name. So we are going to, now this is the February kit, lovely day. What's nice is when you take the shrink wrap off, your name is on there. So now your box doesn't have anything on it, which is kind of awesome. All right, celebrate, lovely coordination. Ooh, that's awesome. Our ink spot today is the Rococo Rose. Look how pretty this is, you guys. So we got a lovely, so we got 3 little like stripes. We got a beautiful big flower, a birthday cake, some more flowers, and what does it say? You're a great reason to birthday, celebrate, have a, congratulations, lovely, and then wishes. Okay, let's see what we got in this package. So this is our package close up. Contains supplies for 9 cards and envelopes. How awesome. Now when you sign up through Paper Pumpkin, through me, I do send you 3 alternative projects to create with the kit, if I could get it open. So this kit has, we have some sequins, awesome, pink. We have some Stampin' Dimensionals, these are the big ones. Oh, how cute is this? So we have 1, 2, 3 of these, and these just pop out, you guys. And that's a big flower, and then we have this cake piece. Okay. Again, these all pop out. And again, you can use this on other things as well. And you get 3 of those. Lovely, love it. Ooh, look at this. How pretty is that, you guys? And that looks like a flower. I think it is a flower. So you get 3 of those. And then look at our envelopes. How cool are these? So you get 3 of these. You get 3 of the green. And then you get 3 of the blue. Cool. And then, ooh, this is like a sticky dimensional. How cool is that? So this, I'm assuming, oh, so these are sayings that are popped up like with dimension. And you guys, this added pieces around the sayings, keep this and use it on other projects, you guys. Don't throw this away. This stuff is like gold, I'm telling you. So yeah, when you've taken out all your words, use this on other projects because you don't really see it. And then how cool are these? And then there's like a slot, and there's a slot. Oh, I like this already. So you got 3 of those like that. You got 3 of those. You got some tags. Love it. And then you got 3 of those. And you got more tags. Oh, and you got some glue dots. Very awesome. And then, of course, you have all your instructions on how to create the projects. And again, if you sign up through me, as long as you're active, each month I will send you 3 alternative projects. Super fun. Thank you so much for stopping by today. If you enjoyed today's video, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Please join me back here tomorrow. I hope to see you then. Take care.